So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for channel. This is me Jayashree here. So today is Saturday. We have anatomy seminar and also clinical skills lecture. We lost our full hope and trust. We have trust issues now. Completely. I don't know how I passed through. So guys, worst ever class because we were like so prepared, but we are so anxious and we blabbered something, and not only we, the whole class except except one guy, everyone is like blabbering. So now we know how is he framing the question. Let's go guys.
already பண்ணி மாதிரி இருக்கு.
So it's 872. இது ஓரளவுக்கு கொஞ்சம் கேர்ட் மாதிரி ஃபீல் கொடுக்கும். அது யோகட், ப்ராப்பர் யோகட். Guys, do you know something? In Georgia there is no curd. Everything is yogurt. But we are considering it as curd. She's a rich kid. She's gonna buy a curd for 6 jats. Go and buy. Rock the stage. Milk is in offer, so you can buy milk in Carrefour. Carrefour? It's up to you. Shunri is going there. I want to eat some croissant. I want to eat some croissant. Should we baklava? Should we use this croissant? இல்லம்மா எக்லர் சாப்பிடலாம் வெளியே போய். எவ்வளோ கேவலமான ஒரு 21 தானே. எது பெருசாக இருக்கும் பாரு.
எல்லாமே சேமாக இருக்கும். 0.5 kg.
Show me.
37 lari, 85 ka 3.
Very பணக்காரங்க தான் நம்ம. Guys, this is the best wet wipes in this whole world because it's alcohol free, paraben free. The main thing is it's for sensitive skin, like because my skin is sensitive skin. If I do something, my skin will start to like purge most probably, but it's so good, you know, like it's from Orinabji. It's just 2 lari. It's not even 2 lari. It's 1.7 lari. So which is so super good. So you can buy it. So you can buy it. So you can buy it. Okay. Everyone is looking at me a little bit weird because I'm talking all around. It's fine. So today I'm gonna it's not going to be like other video. It's going to be very unique because I'm gonna in UG, like University of Georgia, like medical school, the med school, which is in Tbilisi, You know that college, like everyone knows that college. It's like one-to-one class, like not one-to-one. Usually it's a class based Georgian class, like where we like I'm blabbing something. Yeah, I'm so tensed right now because always we used to go to the college and we'll listen, like we'll have two classes. One is lecture and one is seminar, right? Like both the classes, you'll go to the lecture to learn what she's teaching, and seminar they'll give you the test, like paper pen test. It was so good and I was learning something. I was really learning something from Georgian. But now they have changed the pattern. They gave us the Lingwing app. From the app at home we have to do 2000 question in A13 part, and also in the med 1 part, like medicine 1 part, I have to do 332 questions, which is completely shit. And also we gave so many things to the UG, like that we are not able to complete it. And also the main shittiest part, okay, giving app is fine, like they are giving so much questions, it's not even easy. We are like people should, like UG should know this, that we are doing medicine already, we are like suffering, like yeah, we have to study anatomy, physiology, everything together. And also Georgian, yeah, I love Georgian language, I love Georgian to learn, because when I was having Eliso ma'am, I was very interested to learn Georgian. I was like, damn good, I was like, Georgian, like yeah, I'll learn Georgian for sure. Like I was like very interested, like UG has some good Georgian teachers. I appreciate it completely. But Lingwing app, what is this Lingwing app? Like why we have Lingwing app? And also I'm not learning anything from it. It's like giving me headache each and every time whenever I'm opening this app. I'm getting headache. I'm completely getting headache. So this is going to be my task, and we are gonna complete this task for sure. Like we all together, like UG students, like I don't know how many of the, like I just have 2 days to complete 2200 questions. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm completely helpless. And also I'm doing something like this, writing some words in this, like see, like the name, like first Pirveli, like first, and like consultant Sia Eki Ekin Dan is doctor in Georgia. So I'm writing the words so that I can, it'll be easy for me to write the test. Like each and every time I'm doing it wrong and I'm like correcting it, like it's a headache, really it's a headache. I don't know why UG is doing this thing, because it was going very smooth and good, but now they changed. I request University of Georgia to do this, because it's not good at all. Everyone's mental health is like suffering, like we are suffering a lot as a students. We can't have this Lingwing app each and every time. Like there's no time actually. We are going class and coming back. In between, like this Lingwing app, it's headache for us.
Guys, actually there's a change, like in the Lingwing app they told us to do, like the university told us to do only 1000 question, like totally. I I did 300 question in medicine, but they told only in Georgian, like A13 you can do 1000 question. So I did 300 question in med 1. It's waste of time, waste of everything. And they're like informing at the last that you just want to do this 1000 question only. Like what the hell is this? I don't understand, but it's fine. Like now, like till now, like I took 2 days to complete 300 question per day. Like not per day, like it'll take so much, takes so much time. 300 per day, 600 is just pass, like 18 marks, just pass. And 1000 is like full, they'll give, if you complete 1000 questions, it's full mark. So I completed till 600 and something. I'm so tired. I didn't sleep for 2 days. I don't know what the hell is this, but it's helling, and my brain is not braining, my head is heading, it's paining a lot. Guys, see this climate? It looks like evening 6 p.m. What are we supposed to do? But this time 2 o'clock, yeah.
turtle break around. But like I found we are correct and I connected my thumbs and around this place will be L4, L5. Okay, and I'm gonna pierce.
Actually, we are in Tbilisi right now. See the climate, like weather. It's completely misty everywhere. And also we are smoking right now. So guys, like, why we are coming to clinical skills class? Not to get knowledge about the clinical skills. It's all about the teacher. The teacher who is very presentable, very cute, very sweet.
How she
and
dresses.
the way she is dressing, her accessories, her way of teaching, everything is top notch. Pakka. She's the best actually. And also the main thing is, I'm so happy that we got that teacher, you know, like,
Yeah.
it's really so. And also the main thing is, somehow we are answering for her questions. Like, you know, she's asking us the questions in the logical way. Huh? She never wants the text. She always wants the logical thinking and the, like, you know, straight answer, not from the book.
இன்னும் எவ்வளவு சமைக்கணும் அப்படின்ட்டு அதுக்கேத்த மாதிரி நானே பண்றேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்ல இல்ல நான் பிக் பாஸ்ட கேட்டு சொல்றேன், அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்க சமைங்க. ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் சுத்தி உட்கார்ந்து பேசிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. அப்போ எல்லாருமே ராணுவ கிண்ணல இருந்து கொஞ்சம் டிஃபரெண்டா பண்ணேன். உன் ரோட்.
Hello guys, I'm just trying this, you know, muesli plus oats. I was trying some oats, like overnight oats and like stuff like that. The taste is really so worst, so I didn't want to do it. So I'm just trying something new, the yogurt bowl. So we'll see how it goes.